ColorOn Tricolor Smokey Wing. Apply the applicator close to the lash line and rub. Rub from the front to the back without moving the applicator. Once removed, the cream eyeshadow transfers onto the eye. Use your angle brush to blend the transfer color into each other. Do not mix the colors, as all the colors will become one. Just gently rub the cream to where you would like it positioned on your eye. Then dab your brush into the Diamond Cloud shimmer and add some sparkle to the white section of the eye. Once completed, you want to seal the eye with your setting powder. Apply your setting powder to the entire design on your eye. Just blot gently onto the eye. This makes it sweat-proof and waterproof.